Hello, this is Jansen, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Come hop aboard this Formula 2006 330 SS. You've got your tow hook here, ladder here, extended swim platform that I'm standing on. Got your Kenwood remote. Come on aboard. As we move into the cockpit, door there, step on in. Plenty of seating. You have additional storage here, which this stores your tables as well as your bow cushioning. Anything else that you'd like to fit in there. There's cup holders here as well as over here. A little more storage there. Your sink here. Under we have cooler storage as well as your battery switches here and a little trash can. Easy access to your fire extinguisher. As we approach the helm, we got additional seating here as well as storage. You have dual captain's chair, double bolster. It's a twin engine, 496 mag, 381 engine hours. Got a Garmin GPS here. All your gauges, all your switches, everything you're going to need, as well as a Kenwood head unit. Let's move on to the bow of the boat. We've got lots of space up here. You've got a beautiful bow rail, as well as a windlass anchor system, chain storage, and anything else you'd like to fit in there. Hang out up here, comes with bow cushioning. It's really nice, perfect Lake of the Ozarks boat. As we step into the cabin, got a refrigerator here, as well as your shore power controls. Little microwave oven, additional storage here, cup holders, nice little countertop. Got a full head here. Lots and lots of space. And as we move forward, we got lots of space. I'm 6'1" and I can fit in here comfortably. This will actually, there's a little notch that goes in here as well as a cushion. Turns this into a little bed. If you guys have any other questions or comments on this 2006 Formula 330 SS, make sure to give me a call, 573-606-3029, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.